children, this is my next clip related string manipulation. Here I will explain 2 or 3 example of a string question that is related to practical. Here I am going to explain 2 or 3 programs using laptop so that there will be no confusion, no problem related practical things. Hello children, here is a question that you have to input a word, and after removing vowels you have to print the consonant. So you know how to input a word. This is the way to input a word. String sc equal to sc dot next. This is a for loop where you have to extract each character one by one, and if the character is a part of vowel, this statement will execute. Continue means next iteration will increase, and if the condition is false, then what it will do, string str is equal to str plus ch. That means it will store all the consonant in string str. So first time, suppose the word is education, e ch, condition is true, continue, I plus plus will increase, the next value of I will be what, 1. Next time it will extract d, condition become false, it will go and string str equal to str plus ch, so that this part str equal to str plus ch, this part will store all the consonant, and after the condition false it will print str. What is that str? All the consonant. After executing the program, when you compile it, see the output. First time I input here education word. So after removing vowels, word is what? D, C, T, N. Another example, suppose when you input application, it will remove all the vowels, that means A, I, O, and your word will be what? P, P, L, C, T, N. That means it will remove all the vowels and print only consonant. Just see the question number 29. Special words are those words which starts and ends with the same letter. For example, existence, comic, window. These are starting character or ending character are same. That means these are special words. Palindrome words are those words which read the same from left to right and vice versa. We already discussed about palindrome words. For example of palindrome words are madam, mom, dad, civic, label. Now thing is, all palindromes are words are special word, but all special words are not palindrome word. What you have to do, you have to input a word, print and display whether the word is a palindrome as well as special word, or only special word, or not a palindrome and a special word. So children, this is the way to input a word. Here is the 2 statements are there. Char f is equal to st dot char at 0. What is the use of that one? This is the way to extract the first character of the word. And char l equal to st dot char at st dot length minus 1. Length minus 1. What is that? It will extract the last character of the word. This is the way to extract the character and reverse the word. Str equal to ch plus str. Str is equal to ch plus str. We already discussed this particular logic, that means related palindrome in palindrome word. Now this is the way to reverse the string. Now st, original word, is equals to reverse word. If both the string are same, you children can use here equals ignore case or compare to. That means words are palindrome as well as special word. Okay, because all palindromes words are special word. So if you don't want to write here as well as special word, you can remove that one, because all palindrome words are special word. And if the condition 1 is false, then it will check second condition. If F is equal to L. What is F? First character, and L is last character. If first character is equal to last character, that means this is a only special word. If first condition and second condition is false, that means that particular word is not a special word or palindrome word. When you execute your program and see the output, suppose here we input a word Nayan. Nayan, that means Nayan is a palindrome word. Palindrome, that means that is a special word. So here is the message is what? Palindrome as well as a special word. Second word is window. Second word is what? Window. When you input a window, this is what? This is a special word because first character W and last character W is the same. Next word is level. Level, it's a palindrome. Okay, it's a palindrome as well as special word. Next example is comic. When you input comic, comic is a what? Comic is a special word. But when you input pinku, that is not a palindrome or a special word. If you input lily, that is not a palindrome or a special word. So dear children, you just see the program carefully and try to run in your system. Execute the program. If there will be any problem related this program logic, you can message me in the comment box, or with the help of your class teacher you can give the message to me. You will get my mobile number from your class teacher, and if there will be any confusion regarding any topic, any logic, you can WhatsApp me so that I can reply your answer.